Hello, my name is Greg from Jaguar Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Jaguar. This Jaguar F-Pace R Sport model is finished here in the glorious looking Fuji white paint and powered by a 2-litre 180 PS diesel engine. It also features gloss black front grille, which really contrasts the Fuji white colour nicely, and also moving around the back you'll see for yourself there's also a sliding panoramic sunroof with large twin exhaust pipes. You will further enjoy a set of 19-inch grey diamond turned alloy wheels, which really complement the overall look, as well as automatic Xenon headlights with signature daytime running lights. In the rear, full LED taillights will give your car a distinctive look at night. Boot space is absolutely cavernous as well, and that's before you fold the rear seats down in a 40-20-40 split. In the rear, comfortable seating for 3 is on offer with a centre armrest and cup holders, and even 2 ISOFIX chat anchor points. Lots of soft touch materials and decorative stitching is available throughout the cabin, and the driver will enjoy a 3-spoke leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel capable of operating most functions on the move. The sliding panoramic sunroof will let in plenty of natural light inside the cabin, and front seats are further electrically adjustable for added comfort. The 10-inch infotainment screen in the centre will also house built-in satellite navigation with Bluetooth telephony pairing. AM, FM and DAB digital radio receptions are on offer, as well as heated front seats with a 3-stage setting. Additionally, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone projection is available. And to help you park, there's also a rear view parking camera featuring a wide-angle lens, as well as front and rear parking sensors to complement. Easy-to-use 2-zone climate control system is also available. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For more information about it, or if you would like to arrange a test drive, please give us a call on 01270 864 408, or alternatively inquire online now. Many thanks for watching.